Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I will be sharing my experience of using the latest Ryzen 5 5600X, and I will also be showing you some gaming benchmark with Cinebench scores. Recently I bought this CPU from Chandni Chowk Market, which is located in Kolkata. This CPU can be used both for gaming as well as editing. This CPU cost me around 27,200 rupees including GST. This processor is a bit overpriced now, but it will not disappoint in terms of performance. This processor has 6 cores and 12 threads with base clock frequency of 3.7 GHz and boost clock frequency of 4.6 GHz. Cache memory is 35 MB. This processor is based in 7nm architecture. There will be a stock cooler with this processor, and this CPU only consumes 65 watt power. And the most important thing, this CPU comes with AMD's latest Zen 3 core architecture. So now let's see some benchmarks.